Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the updated steps on how to change your phone number on X app. Whether you've got a new number or just need to update your account info, the process is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top left or top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open a menu where you can access important account settings. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the options you need to manage your account, privacy preferences, and security. Next, tap on your account. This will bring you to a page with several account-related options. Here, tap on Account Information. In the Account Information menu, you'll see different details linked to your profile. Tap on Phone. If you're prompted to enter your password for security verification, go ahead and type it in. This is to make sure it's really you making changes to your account. Now, enter your new phone number in the provided field. Double-check that the number is correct to avoid any issues. Once you've entered it, X will send a verification code to your new number. Check your messages for the code, then return to the app and enter it in the verification field. This confirms that your new phone number is valid and belongs to you. After you've entered the verification code, your account will automatically update with your new number. You're all set. From now on, any security or login alerts will be sent to the updated phone number you just added. And that's it, you've successfully changed your phone number on the X app using the latest steps. It only takes a few moments, but it's an important update for keeping your account secure and accessible. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to update other related apps and accounts with your new number so you never miss a notification.